Ito ang one of the best-selling SUV dito sa Dacia Auto Exchange. Kaya kung wala ka pa nito, I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival, 2019 Ford Everest Titanium Plus automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 20 inches wheels at bagong-bago yung mga tires. At sa harap, LED day running light, projector headlights, fog lamps, chrome grille at 1 ang ending. At sa engine is a 2.2 liter turbo diesel inline 4 automatic transmission engine. At yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaganda, magdala na scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, 360 panoramic roof, fresh leather seat at well-designed na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, automatic parking feature, automatic transmission, 2 cup holder, center console, at napakaayos na steering wheel. May mga controls na rin dito, may lane keeping assist at adaptive cruise control, analog and digital display, vanity mirror on both sides at may shade holder na rin to. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko, meron siyang air vents, aircon controls, outlet source at armrests na may cup holders na hindi ko mabuksan. At sa third row, medyo masikip pero meron siyang overhead vents at cup holders on both sides. At sa pinakalikod, LED taillight, chrome garnish, back camera, back sensors at power tailgate. At napakaluwag ng trunk space at powerful din yung third row seat niyan. At kompleto ng tools, spare tire and jack. So this is the 2019 Ford Everest Titanium Plus automatic transmission. So kung gusto niyo to guys, for only 985,000 pesos lang, open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na bago ka maunahan. Thank you guys. Peace out.